Hi guys, so we're at Brandon Station Level Crossing in Suffolk with Joe, Golden Man, Cut Jamie, UK 2019.
Oh, bang! This sounds like Spalding.
Does. Little bang.
There you go.
That those two do anyway.
Right,
there we go. The time is 13:19 on Saturday, the 28th of November 2015.
We wait for.
Gives us a second, I need to log in. This is for your 13:20. Gives a minute. Where is it? I've had it.
13:21.
Yeah, 13:21. 1 kilo 77. About to go to Anglia Service Norwich to Ely.
From Norwich to
Don't mention it, bro.
There's the right.
Surprised because this hasn't got overhead floodlights.
This is.
Oh god, it's already in.
Yeah, the crossing sets off when it's back.
Norwich Ely? That's not Norwich Ely. That's going to Norwich. Which way is Ely?
It's that way.
We've got 172.03.
I don't really read it. That could be early.
I'm going to rest my barrier. I'm going to rest my camera in the barrier. Not filling because I have to get this in.
This is not one. I've got to do weights. It's got
9 weights.
These are probably the biggest barriers you're going to get without supporter arms or string.
Yes, except for Ely.
Yeah, Ely must be that way then.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Nothing steamed up.
170
Uh-huh.
Here you go.
172.03.
170 Let's wave to him. Why not? Here goes.
Nice liveries these are.
Oh yeah.
And 172.03 to Ely. I didn't realise it was that way. And
It is. What are these barriers going to do?
don't be careful because it could go flying up.
I'll wait till it goes. Is it going to do the funny barrier
30,
racing?
but we're going to the next one. Are we? Yeah.
When we're ready?
Can't be staying.
No. It's
Up they go. Yeah, they delayed too. Thanks guys, next video.